Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool mini right here, and basically what this is a Bluetooth wireless microphone. If you haven't seen it from this brand right here. And when we take a look on the side right here and see there's some specs that's on here. So they mentioned how it has a USB interface. It mentioned how you guys can listen to music on here, so basically like a little speaker. They mentioned how you guys can use an SD card on here. They also mentioned how you guys can record songs on here. And they also mentioned how you guys can use it as a microphone and a speaker. So for this pod, they actually have it in a lot of different colors, but the one that we got right here is the green color. So first thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open the product, you can see that this is basically what it actually looks like. Let's take it out. Alright, so when we first take it out, you can see how it comes with this very nice little case. That's a hard shell case. And they have this very nice carabiner option, so if you guys want to hang it onto your backpack or your pants, you definitely can. But let's open up and see what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically what the product looks like. So first thing inside, you guys can see they provide you guys some accessory that you put onto the microphone if you guys want to. Next up right here, they provide you guys some cables. If you can see, it is a USB to micro USB cable. And they also provide you guys a aux to micro USB cable as well, which is pretty interesting. They also provide you guys a user manual right here to teach you guys how to set a product and how to use it. And then last but not least, we have the microphone right here. And that is basically everything that's inside the package right here. So like I mentioned, for the one that we got right here, this one is a green color. If you guys view the top part right here, it definitely feels like a high quality mesh material that they have right here. And they definitely do have that 360 speaker right here. So that way you guys can definitely use it as a speaker if you guys want to use the microphone on here, or if you guys want to use the audio for like the Bluetooth speaker option. In terms of hands option right here, it definitely feels really nice and very smooth, if you guys can hear. And the bottom is a flat bottom, so if you guys want to put it flat down on the table, you definitely can. And then you see right there, they definitely have the TF card option, they have a micro USB option, and they also have an aux output option as well. So if you guys want to plug it into your device to play music or whatever, you can definitely do that. Alright, so right here we have the product. Let's test it out to show you guys how to charge the product. So I'm going to get the cable right here and plug in the bottom part right here. Alright, so we got it plugged in, and we see right here they do have an indicator light to show you guys when it's charging. And basically once it's fully charged, that light should change to green or should turn off. And that is basically how you guys know when it's fully charged. But let's turn it on to see whether or not it actually still works while it's charging. Alright, so it definitely still works even when we're charging, but it's not recommended for you guys to use it while it's charging. You probably want to let it fully charge before you guys start using it. And right here in front, you can see there's a bunch of buttons on here. So right here is the power button to activate the product. And right here is the indicator light to show you guys when it's on or off. And the bottom right here, I'm assuming that is the light indicator to show you guys when it's charging, whether it's full or when it's charging. And right here, we do have a mode button, a rewind button, a play and pause button, a forward button, and then we have a volume switch, a echo option, and a music option right here. And then this is basically what the top part looks like right there. So you see the product definitely looks pretty awesome, and it definitely looks like a high quality material that they use on here. But let's turn on the product and test it out to see how it works. So I'm press the power button right here to activate it. So let's connect it onto the device first using the Bluetooth option. Alright, so we got connected. So let's try to play a song on here first. So this is on maximum volume. Alright, so you definitely see the buttons on here definitely does work. But now let's test out the microphone option right here. If that's in here, you can definitely hear that echo and everything on here. So basically the music option here means that if you guys want to use the music option while also being able to sing, you can definitely use that option on here. Otherwise, you can turn down the music option right here. So let me show you guys what I mean. If you can see, so we're playing the song right now, but it's not actually playing the music because we have it down. But we're bringing it up. Hello, hello, if you guys can hear me. So it's definitely really cool how you guys actually can adjust that on here. But in here, this is basically what my voice sounds like. So if you guys want to switch the different modes on here from this mode to like the SD card mode, you just have to press this button one time. Eventually it blinks right there. But we don't have the SD card in right now, so we don't need that option. And if you guys want to use the recording option, you definitely need to plug this into your device in order for you guys to use the recording option. So that is basically everything that's on the product. If you guys can hear, you can definitely hear that echo on here. So if you guys don't want that echo, you guys can turn it off. And this is basically what it actually sounds like if you guys don't have the echo on. If you guys can hear, it's pretty loud, but it's not as loud as the other microphone that I tested in the past. And that one actually has a lot more functionality that's on there. Whereas this one is not as loud and doesn't have as much functionality that's on here. But the cool thing about this brand is the fact that the material that's used on here definitely feels like a high quality material. And they also have a lot more different color selection on here that the other one does not have. So that's definitely something to kind of consider if you guys want to choose this one or the other one that I have. If you guys don't remember what I'm talking about, let me show you guys really quick. If you see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and this is basically what the product looks like. So let's say for example if I want to play this song right here. So while the song is playing right here, if you guys want to sing on here, you definitely can. So I'm going to use like echo on here. You definitely can use echo on here if it's in here. So definitely a really cool device if it's in here, how it actually works really well in terms of the audio and also the echo as well. If I want to change a different mode on here, just press the mode button right here.
Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connected.
So this is another voice. If you guys can hear it, it sounds very interesting. So if you guys want to change it back to the original voice, you definitely can. But definitely really cute and definitely really nice how to have this option.
Quick magic sound.
So you can see it's actually really easy to use the product right here, and it's actually really cool. So now you guys saw that quick video and see what I mean between that one versus this one. That one definitely has like a lot more functionality in terms of like a louder option in terms of the audio on here, but also has that like chipmunk voice, which is pretty interesting. I honestly prefer using that one over this one, but like I mentioned, the cool thing about this brand product is the fact that they actually have a lot of different color options that the other one does not have. Maybe in the future, if they release new ones that have like different colors, then I'll purchase that one again. But so far, this one seems pretty good in terms of color selections. So pretty much long story short, to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not, I definitely still have to say that this is worth it. But I just wish they had a lot more functionality on here that the other one have. But that obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, that obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.